How do I make a ring from a quarter? It's a step-by-step process with a couple of tools. There's a couple of things I must do before I present it to the customer. I pick any quarter. I punch a centered hole in it. Then the next step is to turn the coin inside out. I use a universal cone and a 1-ton press. My next step is to use a ring stretcher. A ring stretcher is used to get the desired size and shape. I check my size with the ring mandrel. And then next, I polish and present the coin ring to the customer. And this is how I turn a quarter into a coin ring. Thanks guys for checking the video out. I'll see you next video.